Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know that I haven't been making videos lately, and part of it was due to work, and the rest was just part of, to be honest with you, I just kind of didn't feel like making any more videos. So but I'm picking it up again. Okay guys, so right now he's removing the O2 sensors, and oh shit. Okay guys, so we removed the whole exhaust. This install is going to be more difficult than I thought. I thought it was going to be pretty easy. Now I know why they say when it's hard to install to do. It might take long. So, but we had to remove the whole exhaust. Okay, guys. So right now that header is on, and the way that it went in was through the top. So that's the way that header went in, through the top. Yeah, guys. So that side through the top. This side we'll figure it out. Also, I just want to let you know, guys, this is a two-man job, preferably a two-man job. So if you're going to do a header install, you know, a friend or somebody that can help you out, they need to hold the stuff. You know, we removed that. We didn't want to remove the steering column and other stuff because, you know, we don't want to take too long. So guys, we're pretty much done bolting these up. The driver's side header, we had to put it in through the top, you know, do everything by hand. And then this passenger side header, we had to put that one in through here. This one fit through here, and of course you have to tighten some bolts from the bottom here. And you know, we're using a ladder to put some bolts up, to tighten bolts from up there. Also, guys, I reused the OEM head gaskets. I used the OEM head gaskets, and I will mention the tools that we use for this project also. That way, you guys can know. So, yep. All right, guys, it was bolted back on, and it's done. I want to thank my friend Mark. Man, this header install was really shitty because the eBay headers, the bolts that it comes with don't go with it. So unfortunately, you know, you have to go and buy them, and that's the only part that sucks about those headers. So that's pretty much it, guys. Sounds pretty good. Sounds deeper. Sounds a lot deeper. So so that's what I wanted. That's what I was after. Not so much too much, you know, raspy. Sounds good. Like a V8. But you know, the exhaust tone is a lot deeper, and that's what I was after. That's what I wanted. Corsa exhaust, shorty headers, eBay. There is going to be a continuation because I do have to go to muffler shop. But man, that exhaust sounds really good. So here it is again. Alright, so this is Mark, guys, Wild Greaser Garage, and tell us a little bit of what you do here.
We do a lot of performance installs on Mustangs. But we're auto mechanic shop, drivability, brakes, tune-ups. I attract a lot of Fords. I'm knowledgeable with Fords.
Guys, we have, you know, different models of Mustangs from customers. So Mark's the guy. He here in San Benito, local. So guys, it sounds good. Mark here, he's the owner of that V8 over there. It sounds awesome. Sounds really good. And even he agrees with me. It sounds a lot different, a little bit deeper. The tone's a little bit deeper. So thanks to Mark, guys. If you need any mechanical work and stuff like that, his shop is here, and he has really reasonable prices too. So if you all need an install, you know, come check him out. Really good guy, and you know, we did the header install on this, and then I assisted him. This job, you do need two people. It's preferable if you have two people, guys. If you have any check engine lights, and that's what we wanted. We didn't want any check engine lights. Of course, if I ended up getting some, I was going to have to revert back to stock. Now, I'm pretty surprised, and I'm really thankful that it didn't happen. You know, we didn't get any check engine lights, like I said again. So unfortunately, I didn't get to mention what kind of tools we used, but you know, we didn't use a stubby wrench. I know I've seen a lot of people put, you know, that they use a stubby wrench. You might have to use a stubby wrench if you do the job on jack stands. Now, we did it on a car lift, so it is a lot easier to do on there than on the jack stands, guys. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. We are definitely gonna have some exhaust videos of the new setup, and I'm really excited and really happy about that. So I can't wait. Stay tuned, guys. Thank y'all. Have a good one.